Hello everyone, I am Michelle Moon. Our topic today is mindful meditation. Our body has 3 energy centers: body center, heart center, and spiritual center. And it is very important for us to bring the energy down to our body center. Today, we are going to do a very simple gut healing and abdominal healing. You can gently pump your gut with your fingers. If you have some pressure on your chest, you can breathe in through your nose and breathe out through your mouth. If you're comfortable on your chest, then you can breathe through your nose. Our mind can easily travel either to the past or future. Mindful meditation means you are able to stay in the present moment without any thoughts and emotions. When our mind wanders, you can easily lose your energy without doing much physical activities. This mindful meditation is something that you can do anytime to stop thinking and bring your mind back to your center. You can gently stimulate your abdomen. Breathe in through your chest. Breathe out all the way down to your abdomen. You can do this gut healing and abdominal breathing 5 to 10 times. And make sure you relax your shoulders and your chest. Feel nice and warm energy flow down to your abdomen. After your gut healing, you can put your hands on your abdomen and gently breathe in and out and stay connected. Gather your 3 fingers, thumb, index finger, and middle finger, which represents your physical center, heart center, and spiritual center. And put your hands on your knees and gently breathe in and out. And feel energy flow throughout your body. Relax your shoulders and chest. And focus on your breathing. When you breathe in, feel the pure life energy coming into your body. And as you exhale, you can let go of any negative thought and emotional energy. And now make a fist. And you can stimulate your abdomen with stronger energy so that your mind doesn't wander, but stays in the present moment. When you notice that your mind wanders again, you can stimulate your body center with a stronger energy so that you can catch your scattered mind back to your body center. As you keep bringing your energy down, you can recognize your brain is getting cooler and your chest becomes lighter. And your body gets warmer and comfortable. You want to do this abdominal tapping about 2 to 3 minutes with a comfortable breathing. And enjoy your tapping exercise with your breathing and vibration and aware all the nice positive changes that are happening in your body. After you connect with your body center through tapping, you can do abdominal breathing. Just like your chest breathing, as you inhale, you can expand your stomach and feel the energy sensation in your abdomen. And as you exhale, you can let go of any stagnant energy. You can do this mindful breathing a couple of times and try the gut healing again. When you have a lot of thoughts and stress, you may experience some constipation, diarrhea, or headache because your gut is connected to your subconscious mind. And this simple mindful meditation technique helps you to stop thinking and focus better. As you bring your energy down to your physical center, naturally, your thinking brain slowly stops. As your mind gets clear, your eyes get clear, your chest becomes comfortable and relaxed. Press your gut all the way in and try the gut healing again 5 to 10 times and bring your energy down. If you still have lots of busy thoughts, you can spend a little more time until your brain feels calmer. Breathe in and breathe out. And breathe in and out with a gentle gut healing. And do the gut healing with your breathing exercise. Feel the difference in your abdomen. Put your hands on your abdomen. Feel the depth of your breath, whether it is shallow or deep. And feel your breathing patterns and see if your breathing is regular or irregular. Feel the warmth of your abdomen as a result of gathering energy on your body center. And now, hands on your chest. Send warm energy to your heart center with a comfortable breathing. Even if you do this mindful meditation for a short period of time, you can feel connected with yourself, that you don't lose yourself with so many tasks or projects in your daily life. And brain energy healing. Breathe in and expand your energy. Breathe out and release any negative thoughts. Imagine you're breathing in through your crown chakra and breathing out through your temples. Bright and pure life energy come through the top of your head. And bring energy down to your chest and down to your abdomen. And now you want to try again. Feel the pure energy coming in through the top of your head. Bring energy down to your heart chakra and down to your physical chakra. Again, reconnect with your spiritual center. Feel connected with your heart center. Feel body center with energy feelings. Now, after you feel connections, as a last mindful meditation, relax any tensions that you notice throughout the whole body from top to bottom. Again, nice and gentle vibration. Shake your shoulders and do the brainwave vibration. And bring your mind down to your abdomen. Now it is time to meditate. Completely empty your mind and stay connected. Feel your true essence of life from deep inside, where there is no thought and emotion. Stay connected with your breath. And now rub your hands, make your hands warmer. Cleanse your face and your whole body. Thank you for watching this video. It was Misha Moon. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a comment and let me know how you felt about mindful meditation. And don't forget to subscribe the Body and Brain TV channel so that you can watch all the upcoming videos. Thank you so much. I'll see you again.